Hi everyone, my name is Neeli. I'm a BTech graduate. I passed out in 2016 from electrical engineering from MJP Royal University. I have total 7 years of work experience all into non-IT domain. I left my job. I joined Besant Technologies in BTM Layout Branch. I took cloud computing from them, and out of that I found CCNA as the most interesting topic there. So the management, the tutors, they were really very helpful. The tutors were so knowledgeable. They made me understand all the topics very nicely, and with their efforts and all the knowledge I have got placed as a network specialist in Noida with 10 LPA package, and I do not have words to thank them enough, so that they have made me realize my dream. And thank you Besant Technologies to let me achieve my dreams, and here I am just because of you. Thank you.